Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video let's talk about how you are going to go pro, how to go pro in 2021. So especially in so guys, I want you to just understand the 5 things that I want to discuss with you today. So number one is about your customers, number one customers, or rather your clients or your prospects. Now guys, each and every single day ensure you are getting a lot. Like when I say a lot, let's talk about 150 and above contacts. If you are per day on a daily basis you are getting less than 100 contacts, guys, you are doing it wrong. It's high time you decide to get more people and you become a pro. Then number two is that you need knowledge. I mean, each and every single day you need to go and learn. Go outside there and make the shit happen, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Your level of income will never surpass your level of skills. So guys, that is it. So you need to go and buy that book. By the way, go and buy that book, because watch those videos on YouTube, on your whatever podcast and everything, and also attend those seminars, because when you attend those seminars, by the way, they are very, very powerful. You really forget anything that you learn there. And then way number 3, invest in yourself, guys, because you never go wrong in investing in yourself, because in this business you'll need a lot of personal development and stuff and everything. So you need to invest in yourself. Then number 4 is very important. Okay, number 4 is that you need to grow your brand. Okay, brand growth here, I mean that for example, the biggest brands in the whole world, talk about Coca-Cola, talk about those big brands that you know, guys, talk about Amazon, Alibaba. So you need to grow your brand, in that everyone can know your brand, because you need to go massive. Then the last in this business you will need a lot of discipline. So I realize that most people discipline, stroke skills and everything. I realize that most people suffer in the e-commerce business because of lack of knowledge and skills. Okay, so when you I want you to develop a discipline whereby you can grow your skills and everything, where like each and every single day you know you have to get the shit done whether you like it or not. Okay, so yeah, I mean that wake up every day, dress up, show up, and never ever give up, because I don't think winners give up and losers will always be losers and they quit. So don't quit your network marketing business, guys. And can I give you a bonus one? A bonus one is that focus. A focus here, I mean that in 2021 you'll need a lot of focus. Follow one course until success. You'll need a lot of focus, whereby like guys, get the shit done each and every single day, because that focus will lead you somewhere, guys. So that is it for today, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, see you in my next one. Before I do this, I want to say bye bye. See you in the next one, guys.